Hey guys, Shan here again. I just want to quickly have an update before our Christmas Eve shutdown. So, looking at ADA, I just want to give you a quick inside view, like a little Christmas present of what goes on in my head. Okay, so let's look at this. Let's look at ADA, Cardano. So, if I look at my channel, if you guys know the updates we've done this last few weeks, let me just find the one I did a few days ago, earlier, yesterday I think it was, the day before. Okay, so I mentioned this down move is supposed to have a triangle and it hits a new low. And I said in the video from yesterday, the educational video, that if a triangle doesn't break the way it's supposed to, it could actually end up being a flat. So now it's gone all the way up to that circle. So if I just close this and go back to my chart, okay. So now you can see it actually came up to our circle area with the flat there. Same top as the A tops there, B over there, and well B over here and C over there, possibly. Now how do I know if this is actually done? So if I go to daily, I would have to make a decision because I know in the daily it's A, B, C is literally done, and I want to buy ADA and go for all the way up. But now this is a lot of messing around to the side. Now when things go to the side like this, it always means like it is a consolidation and it wants to go one more dip before it goes. Well, that's the way I see it. Now if I'm wrong and this was the low, so one of these lows should have been the low, and we should get impulsive move up and then a correction and then carry on to the moon. But it's just going sideways. So I really, honestly, when I saw this triangle forming, want one more dip. If I just show you what I'm looking at there, pull it up. One more dip lower down to the one area or 104, and then we can go. So I said to my guys in the group that we've got A, now we've got a B in a triangle, sideways, wasting time, and now we're getting up for C. Now, how do I know, or how did I know that it's going to stop over there? Okay, so let me show you what I'm looking at. So if we go to 1 hour, so very educational for you guys. So if I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it could be way 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, could be way 3, now zigzag down 4, and then 5, which is quite extended. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's assume this is the top of 5. Okay, so unless this is the 1, 2, 3 down, and makes another high, and that's the top of the C, and then comes down. But how do I know? How do I decide, like myself, when to put a trade? So I'm going to quickly just give you an inside view. I'm going to take a little channel and go, okay, so that's the top of that channel and the low of number 1. So what are we looking at? Elliott wave, we're looking for 1, 2, 3, so ABC, and we need to go. Or we're looking at this situation here where I've got if that's my 1, that's my 2, I should have a 3 down here somewhere. It leaks to the 618, tension, to a 4, and then to a 5. Now that's what I need to see. And then I need to see 1, 2, 3 up for ABC and further down, which will give us new lows. Now, just by the way, guys, if you look at this is a 1, that's a 2. We stop there. So this could be ABC and keep going higher. But how do I have confirmation? Okay, so this thing pushed through the channel and now it's pulled all the way back up again. It's now half past. So it's literally got half an hour to decide if it's going to carry on down again and close below that channel or stay inside. If it stays inside, the probability is higher that it's going to go higher again. Okay, so it's going to pull back. But if it closed lower, like it was looking like 10 minutes ago, the next target should be the 1618 right down here. And lo and behold, let me just show you quickly what I'm looking at. So if that's my top, that's my 1, that's my wave 2. So my extension shows me the 1618. That's my minimum, or my white line is, okay? My minimum target where wave 3 should end. Anything above that, it's not a wave 3 in my mind. So it's just going to be ABC and go up again. So if I go to that level, put my line there, look where it is, the last resistance of this move up. Let me just zoom out a bit more, or zoom in a bit more. Okay. So if I now go, if that's my 3, there could be the 4, and look what, it's going to go down, break out of a channel, and move back into a channel and touch a channel. Now guys, you need to draw this channel from the top and top of the wave 2, and then see what happens from there. If this is the case and it comes down again, it should at least reach the 200, which is the double of 1, or 2618. Now this is very likely the target of the wave 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you get down here, and I put my white line there, guess where it is? And it's very strange where that is. The top of that, the low of that. So for the support and resistance traders, the old traditional guys, there's your resistance, there's your support, and this thing's going to go all the way down to possibly there and find support. Okay, that's great. So how do I know this? Well, I need to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and then I need to see my ABC. And my ABC is going to be at least a 38% retrace, something like this, before I carry down again. So that would be my wave 1, 2, whatever it is, 3, 4, 5, and going all the way down. So you see how your past support and resistance areas like that can actually mean the turning point for your first wave down to a bit of correction, and this has to be very important, has to be a corrective correction. So sideways, not impulsive all the way up, just A, B, C, slowly to the side, and then carry down again. Okay. All right, guys, so that's my little Christmas present to you. So this is what I'm looking at the moment. If that happens, great. If not, okay. But look at this now. It came down, teased everyone, broke out of the channel, and pulled all the way back again. Okay, so the next time now, 35. So another 25 minutes, we'll know exactly what the tensions are. Until then, good luck, and this is how we trade. Thank you.